Welcome back. What we can do in order to work with an audio is we can import it into Audacity. And we can do that by going to this File command. We can then go to this Import command. And what you'll notice here is that we can import an audio file, we can import labels, a MIDI file, or raw data. We're going to import an audio file. You'll then see the audio on one specific track. This file then is ready for you to work with it if you want to go through an editing process or you want to add the effects that Audacity gives you access to. We can undo this function by going to this edit command and going to undo import. We can also import the audio from an MP4 file. And to do that, we can go to this file command. We can then go to this import command. In this case, we're going to open a video file or an MP4 file. We're going to click open. What you're going to notice then is that Audacity will strip the audio from that file and place the audio into your Audacity program so that you can use it and edit it and provide effects to it. Now you're looking at the audio that will play on one track. What you can also do is you can import additional audio that will play along with the track that you have inside of Audacity. So for example, if we were to go to this file command and we were to import audio, and this time we're going to look for an audio music file. And so basically what you do when you add on a second track, you'll be producing an audio with spoken word here on the top track and then music here on the bottom track. And so you can continue to import files that you want to be part of your final production here in this area. Once you have tracks you'll begin to work with, you'll want to be aware of basic file operations, and we will do that in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.